Hi, earlier we created index HTML and we've got one div where we will put the videos, and then second div where we will put the pagination buttons, and the third div where we will have just information about the results maybe of videos, and etc. And we've got the script tag which is not closed. Oops. If you don't close this, maybe it won't work. So yeah, we got this now. Now let's access, excuse me, we don't need that, let's access this thing, war document dot get element by ID, and ID be this, right? And then next one we need this, and then we probably need, let's put this on, we would need this, right? We would need this, and then we would need this. It's gonna be here. So I've got all the divs. This is a div, and this is a div. So we don't need this anymore. And now let's go to Mozilla page. I found this very useful. It's just ready there. Just copy that and then use it on the application. So we will be using this thing in our application. So just let me just put this on here. So in the future, if you need this, it's always available in developer.mozilla.org. So what happens here is we would need to pass the HTTP link from YouTube to the fetch function, and then it returns response, and the response.json method this gives us returns object from JSON file. So as you know, response is usually comes out as a JSON format, and then if you just do this .json method, so we get object. So, and then later we can just log it out and then do the job with our object. So in here we would need to add the URL, right, from our YouTube. Let's call it my URL. We will get it in a bit. And then we would also need a search string. And then I think we would also need, yeah, we definitely need a API key. So this is what we need to get from YouTube. Yeah, so now let's go to, I think it's here. Was it samples maybe? No. Oh yeah, somewhere here. The reference, let's say search overview. Oh, okay. It is, I usually click on this button. So and then just click on JavaScript and then load it in API Explorer. This is all we need for now. Here we can just fill out the form. Let's stay the snippet. Let's change this results for 3 for now maybe. And then we will add this later. This be search string for now. And then type, let's say video. What else? I think that's it for now. Then there you go. Down below we have this button. Click on that. And there you go. We got the URL. Simply put the URL here. The API key, we would need to access it in a bit. So let's let's leave it for now. Yeah, so we would need to access it later. And then the search string. Where's the search string? There's a search string, so we also need to access it in a bit. Let's leave it for now. And yeah, so let's go back and get the API, the google.com/APIs. Then you got the okay, you create your API in here. That's how it looks like. And then you simply copy that. That's the API. If you just click on this, create credentials, it will create you an API. You copy that and then simply back to here, right? So now we have provided the API key, we have provided the URL, and then we can simply provide the search string key. Search string. Let's say maybe nice cars for now. So we've got my URL, which passes these 3 things, and then etc. So things seems alright for now. And then let's add more functions onto this on the next video. For now, everything seems fine. Thank you so much.